Hello children. Last class you all study that bidirectional flow of control or multiple branching statement. Today we'll discuss about another programming construct where a set of statements are repeatedly executed till your condition is satisfied. And that statement what we called loop. Loop allow us to execute a statement or a group of statements in multiple times. Now there are two kinds. Now loops are three types. What are there? For loop, while loop and do while loop. The loop are further categorized into two. What are there? Entry control loop and exit control loop. Now we shall study in details. Here see, a loop statement allow us to execute a statement or group of statement how many times? Multiple times. That means you a statement or any state or a group of statement you will execute how many times? Multiple times. That we call as a loop. Loops are three types. What are there? For loop, while loop and do while loop. And we will study all these loops step by step. And these loops are broadly categorized as two loops. What are there? Entry control loop and exit control loops. Now see that loops, entry control loop and exit control loop. Entry control loop means that it will check the condition in entry time. In exit control loop, it will check the condition in during the exit time. That is the difference. Entry control loop check the condition in entry time and exit control loop will check the condition during the exit time. In entry control loop, you have to study two loops, while loop and for loop. And exit control loop, you have to study only do while loop. Now first we study the for loop. Here the syntax of the while loop. What was that? First you write the while, then you had to give the condition, then after that you had to write the statement. This was the syntax of while loop. And for loop, first what was that? For, you had to write int I, then condition, then increment. I means what? You have to initialization is there, condition is there and updation is there. Then after that you have to write the statement. In do while loop, you have to write first do. Then you write the statement. After that, you have to write while, condition and terminate with a semicolon. And these are the syntax of three loops. While loops, for loops and do while loops. Now we study that entry control loop and exit control loop in a flow chart. See that entry control loop. Here what we have to do, entry. You have to do the enter. Then you have to give the, test the condition whether is a true or false. Then after that you have to the body of the loop. In exit control loop, same way you have to enter. Then you have to do the body of the loop and the last you have to test the condition. This is the flow chart of entry control loop and exit control loop. Now we come to our for loop. And for loop is very important. See the syntax of for loop. For, what you have to write? Initialization. Then you have to write the condition. Then you have to write the updation. Then after that you have to write the statement. Now see the example. Suppose you have to print a natural number. The natural number you know that 1 to 10. What you have to write? Int I equal to 1 semicolon I less than equal to 10 then I plus plus. Now see how this work. You have to already initialize I is equal to 1. Where it will go? It will go to the, see that whether 1 is less than equal to 10. Then what it will do? System.out.print I. So what will be when I is what? 1 will be print. Then it will again go to where? Updation. Now I will buy, what was that? I it will become 2. Now it will come to here. Now 2 is less than equal to 10. Yes. Then system.out.print, what was that? 2. 2 will be print. Then again it will go to updation. Then updation, then come here and check, see that checking the condition whether 3 is less than equal to 10. Yes. Then come to the statement, 3 will print. And in this way it will be work. Here int I is what? I is equal to 1, your initialization. Int I less than equal to 10, what is that? It is your condition. And I plus plus, what was that? Updation. Hope you have understood this simple means for loop statement. If you're finding any difficulty, you can call me or text me. Thank you, my dear children.